Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to remove I am not a robot on Omegle. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Omegle and you can see the error or you can see the any option I am not a robot on your Omegle, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. In this, you need to just click on this three dot, click on settings. After that, you can see your privacy and security. You just need to click on that. After that, you can see your cookies and other site data. Just click on this. In this, you need to select allow all cookies. After that, then go back, scroll down a little bit. You can see here site settings. You just need to click on that. In this, you need to select omegle.com. just click on that. In this first option, you can see location. It is selected as ask default. You just need to click on allow. After selecting allow, then close this window and open your Omegle website. After that, just click on video call, select and start your video call. You will not see this option again. That's it guys. So in this way you can remove I am not a robot on Omegle. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.